Hi angels, hi my divas, hi all my pretty girls out there. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a fun video for you guys. Today we're going to be doing a Dooney and Bourke unboxing. I'm going to be doing a Dooney and Bourke unboxing of the shoulder tassel bag. So before we get started with talking about all these lovely things and items that you girls and ladies like to talk about with me, let's go ahead and do the unboxing first so we can take a look at the bag. I have the bag right here, you guys, and this is the way it was delivered to me from I Love Dooney. And you guys know when we want Dooney and Bourke, we can order from dooneyandbourke.com or we can order from I Love Dooney. So I picked up this little number right here, this little cutie from I Love Dooney online. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like. So this is the way the item was delivered to me when I received it. This is the way it came in the mail. They had it all packaged nice in there for me. And what I went ahead and ordered was the Tassel shoulder bag. This is the lovely bag right here, as well as I received it with a catalog. So I wanted to pick up a smaller shoulder bag, you guys, something not so heavy duty, you know, for the summertime and for this time of year. During the winter months, I tend to carry a whole lot more items. So let's go ahead and take a look at this beautiful tassel shoulder bag. I'm going to open her up, but I did want to say that this time of year, Dooney and Bourke is sending this beautiful catalog right here. And I noticed that the model in this catalog has one of the chestnut satchels in chestnut, one of the large satchels in chestnut. And normally I carry my brown colored bags during the winter months, because I live in the Midwest and it gets very cold and we have snow and ice and all the element. I like to carry my darker colored shoulder bags and satchels. So normally I carry my chestnut and brown tomorrow type bags during that season. But right now I wanted to go ahead and talk about this because the model pictured here is if you notice, she's on a beach somewhere, and that gave me an idea because I realized, why am I saving all of my brown bags for the winter months? Like fry bags that are brown or some of your Tory Burch bags. They can be carried all season long, you guys. And this photo right here that's on the catalog made me realize that she's enjoying this brown chestnut satchel with, you know, all of the sandy colors that are on the beach, the trees, the neutrals, the seashells that are on the beach. All of that looks so lovely with this brown color for Dooney and Bourke with the chestnut satchel. So let's go ahead and take a look at this lovely tassel shoulder bag that I ordered because I wanted something that I could carry some smaller items in. How pretty is she, you guys? Look at this bag. I'm really liking it. It comes with the shoulder strap. And it also has 4 feet at the bottom. And I'm really liking the Pebble Grain leather. I wanted to go ahead and try some different leathers for Dooney and Bourke. You guys know Dooney and Bourke makes so many different leathers. They have city leather, they have the Emerson leather, they have Saffiano leather, all different types of leather, as also Florentine. And this time around, I wanted to go with the Pebble Grain satchel. Isn't she such a beauty? And this is the lovely color caramel. What I noticed online is that this beauty came in taupe. And you know, taupe is like a gray bone off-white color. That color was really pretty also. That's available at Dooney and Bourke online as well at I Love Dooney. And they also came in black. It came in a beautiful black color as well. But this time around, I decided to go with the lovely caramel, you guys, right here. I think caramel is such a beautiful color. It's such a lovely color, and Dooney and Bourke does it so well. What I like about Dooney and Bourke, you guys, is Dooney and Bourke is a brand that it just goes on and on and on. I'm sure some of you ladies remember Dooney and Bourke, you know, many years ago. And there's so many Dooney and Bourke bags that you can wear. Some of them have the monogram DB, as well as some of them are just leather. Then there's the shiny It 1975 Dooney and Bourke bags. But one thing about Dooney and Bourke that I love is how classic it is. I mean, let's be real. We can remember, you know, some of your moms wore Dooney and Bourke. Some of your grandmothers carried a Dooney and Bourke bag. So Dooney and Bourke has been around forever. And it's timeless and it's classic. And the Florentine satchels and some of the Clayton satchels and the Smith bags, some of those bags are just beauties and classics for Dooney and Bourke. They've been around forever, and they're going to continue to be around for many, many years. So some of our daughters are going to be wearing Dooney and Bourke satchels and Dooney and Bourke bags, like my lovely chestnut satchel. So today I wanted to go ahead and add this little beauty to my collection right here in the Pebble Grain. I just thought it was so, so cute. And I'm going to go ahead and open her up. Let's go ahead and take out all the stuffing and see how she was, you know, how they shipped her to me. So they packaged her really, really nicely with stuffing. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the stuffing because we don't need that. We want to enjoy the beauty of this lovely bag. And then you could see Dooney and Bourke always sends the lovely dust cover for protection. Dooney and Bourke, you know, it says Dooney and Bourke on it. And it's so, so soft. It's going to protect all your bags, you know, and you could use them when you're storing your handbag to protect against dust. So yeah, it came delivered with that. And the lovely interior of this bag is a lovely red color on the interior here, but she's such a nice, beautiful bag. Now, also what I wanted to talk to some of you ladies about is what I like to do and play with myself with at home in my handbag closet and on my dresser is I love some of the Wrong DeVoe items. I like using them in my planner, in my Dooney and Bourke bag. And in this particular bag, since it's a smaller bag, I decided to go with a smaller planner by Wrong DeVoe because, you know, it just made it more easy for it to be able to fit into a smaller handbag. Now, if I was carrying a larger Florentine satchel, then I could go with like an 8x10 planner or a larger size 11x15 or something like that planner. But for this bag, it didn't require all of that. I just needed something small. But Wrong DeVoe is an artist that I love. Anytime she draws her fashion illustrations, she incorporates a handbag. And that's what this channel is all about. That's what we're here to talk about, is handbags, you guys. So I love some of the Wrong DeVoe illustrations because the divas in her illustrations and in her sketches always have beautiful handbags as well as sunglasses. They're going to have their Ray-Ban sunglasses on. They're going to have all different types of fashion and sunglasses on, you guys. So I also have my mug right here that I'm drinking some water from. And you can see it has one of the lovely Wrong DeVoe fashion models on it. And she's carrying a bag that looks something similar to like a Celine bag. She has on her sunglasses. She has on a nice pencil skirt, you guys. That's just so, so cute. So that is another reason why I love the Wrong DeVoe items. And they go so well with your handbags. You could use them with your planners. You're going to be able to accessorize, you know, around your room or in your handbag with some of the Wrong DeVoe items. So today I wanted to talk about this lovely tassel shoulder bag. I think I'm going to move into her. I'm going to go ahead and put some of my lovely Dooney and Bourke items like this Kiss Lock coin purse in her. This is going to fit so well inside this handbag because you could see the colors brown and red just match up so, so nice for Dooney and Bourke. So I have several red accessories right here, a small zippy coin purse that I will be using in this bag, as well as also I have a slim wristlet in the color Desert. These are all nice accessories that would go great with this tassel shoulder bag. So make sure you check out Dooney and Bourke online and I Love Dooney for this tassel shoulder bag, as well as some of these lovely accessories that match up and go so, so well with this Dooney and Bourke tassel shoulder bag. I'm really going to enjoy sporting this baby and rocking her this time of year. Like I said, we could wear our browns this time of year, ladies. I know normally I wear pinks and yellows and other colors this time of year, but I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have to take a little input from the Dooney and Bourke catalog online and go ahead and wear some of the browns for this season. I think that's going to be so, so much fun. Thank you guys for joining me for this video. I love when you hang out with me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel, and I'll see you ladies soon in another video.